Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where display connection might be limited is the error code on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now see, here's the thing. You must have heard about network connection being limited, but display connection being limited is quite a weird thing. The best that you can do in this matter is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Now we have a command line for you. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste the hardware and troubleshooter command, which is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic, and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to update the display drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click on it and select update driver. Right click on the second one and select update driver as well. And the last one is to roll back Windows Update. How would you roll back Windows Update? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select update history and then select uninstall updates. Select uninstall and then click on uninstall to roll back the latest update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.